Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance No Cap. The song is Too Sugar, the artist is WIZKID, featuring AYRA STARR, and the choreography is Jamie Lee. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. If you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll pin it at the end of the video. Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself personally invite you to a 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration is open right now and you can book your room right now. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com and let's go. There you go, no cap. Make sure you check out the instructional. Also check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Next year, please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Huda teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.